What makes your garden grow? Water and sunshine. What makes your spirit grow? Knowing that she'll be mine.
Our first zucchini! Yay! This one's oddly shaped. I'm gonna go ahead and pick it.
Yep.
Looks like a pepper. Hey guys, welcome back to the Freedom Homestead Victory Garden. It's getting ready to rain on us, but we wanted to come out here and pick some veggies. It's been kind of a busy day, so it's our first opportunity to get out here, and I don't care. I'm gonna pick in the rain. I'm too excited. So y'all wanna come and check out and see how much everything's grown. We've had a couple of good rains, and then the garden just exploded.
These are squash.
It is loaded, absolutely loaded down, but none of them are ready to pick just yet. We have already harvested one squash, but I don't see any that are ready to pick at this moment.
Okay. We got some banana peppers that need picking.
Yes. Look at our collard greens, they're looking good. So I've got 3 banana peppers. The rest of them look like they can hang out a little bit longer. I don't know. What do you think about this jalapeno?
That jalapeno needs picking. You pick it, show it to me.
Okay. I can get it. I can't find my what do you call them? Snippers. Okay, here's our first jalapeno. This is the La Bamba variety. They're supposed to be nice and fat for stuffing. This would be a fantastic one for a popper. Look at our sunflowers though. And our beans that are growing down there look good. Oh look, we've got corn popping up, finally. We've got some sweet corn popping up right there. Awesome.
How's our cabbage look? Let's check it out.
Yeah, this cabbage right here is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. It's nice and tight. Won't be long. This one's forming a good head too. So right here was where the cabbage was that got eaten up by the worm. So I pulled that up. It's in compost right now. And I put my one strawberry plant that I started from seed right there. I'm pretty sure that I can go ahead and pull these pea plants up and compost them. I think I've harvested pretty much everything that it's gonna grow. I just saw one. But there's no more buds, so I think it's done. But I mean, I actually picked a pretty good amount just from these little plants right here. So pretty soon I'm gonna have to come back out here and cut some more Swiss chard, spinach, and lettuce. After having a really good rain, it's really popped up. But look at my peas. These are the blue shelling peas. I don't really see any that are ready to pick, maybe 1 or 2. And then over here in the back, we have some Lincoln peas, and there's a lot that I need to go ahead and harvest. These are so pretty. This one's definitely ready. Isn't that pretty?
Mm-hmm. Look at your lettuce.
I know. And then look behind you. I see baby cucumbers. We've gotten a lot of blossoms over just the last 48 hours, and I already see little baby cucumbers. And then over here, there's lots of blossoms on the green beans. These are the Blue Lake bush beans from the Homestead collection from M.I. Gardner, and these look fantastic. Look! My first nasturtium flower. These are edible, and they're great for pests. They keep them away. And they draw pollinators.
What makes your garden grow? Water and sunshine. What makes your spirit grow? Knowing that she'll be mine. Tater bug, eating my potatoes. Tater bug, garden grow, water and sunshine. What makes your spirit grow, knowing that she'll be mine?
Open it and kind of hold them up.
Oh no. Those are so cute. Okay guys, I know it may not make a whole lot of sense to plant peas in our small amount of space that we have. Seems like it would be better to grow something where we would get more out of. But I love peas, especially fresh, uncooked, and they're pretty, and they're fun to grow. For me, gardening is an outlet. It's fun, but it's also a really cool way to grow more food for your family, save money at the grocery store. So doesn't matter how you're growing food, just try it. Put a pot in the window, put one on your balcony, whatever. Just try to grow something. You'll be glad that you did. I think it's starting to rain.
It's raining.
Awesome. We hope you guys enjoyed this grocery haul. We hope you guys enjoyed this garden haul, and we're gonna enjoy the rain on our tin roof while shelling peas. We'll catch you guys later. Until next time.
Tater bug, if I find you, I'm gonna squish you.